everyone, and welcome back to my channel. To get started, I have some more of these beautiful bowls from Dollar Tree. I have 4, and I'm not sure if I'll use all 4. I have this idea, in my mind it works out. So we have 4 of these bowls, and I also have this bowl. And I grabbed this bowl as an option, but now I think I'll use it as a weight, and I'll explain that later. So we have this, and we have 4 of these ice buckets, okay? And I have one other thing, and I'll grab that later. But for now, I want to go ahead and jump right into the DIY. So what I'm going to do is take our bucket and cut the handles off. Right here, I have my hot knife ready to go, and this is the blade that I'll be using. And now I'll just simply cut the handles off. That's what we have. Okay guys, I'm back, and I removed the handles off all 4 of my ice buckets. So what I want to do now is glue these 2 together. Okay, so now I just put one on top of the other. So now I'll tape them together. And you want to do the same exact thing to the other 2 ice buckets. So moving right along, I want to take 2 of the bowls that I showed you earlier and glue them together, just like so. Again, I'll be using my Gorilla Glue. Okay, so now I'll line these up and glue these together. Okay, so now I'll add some tape just to help hold it together while the glue sets up. Okay, I want to go ahead and remove this label. Put this right here. Then I'm going to take this bowl and the smaller bowl and glue these together. And the reason I'm doing that is because I want to add some weight. This is going to be my base. I haven't told you guys what I'm building yet, have I? You'll see. But I want to go ahead and glue these 2 together. So I'll go ahead and remove the label as well. So again, I'm going to use some Gorilla Glue and hot glue. And now I'll put some hot glue right in the center. Okay, and now I'll put this right in the center. Just put some weight there to help hold that down until it cools down. Alright, so I'll let that cool down and then come right back. Okay guys, so this is what we have with the 2 bowls. And again, I use the center bowl, the very bottom, the one in the middle, as weight. So what I'll do next is take a set of my ice buckets and glue it right on top in the center. Again, I add some glue right on top of the rim. So now I'll allow the hot glue to set up on this and then come back. Okay guys, so now I want to go ahead and add my second set of buckets right on top, like that. Again, I add some more of the Gorilla Glue. So this is what we have so far. I'm going to put this on the floor. We're almost done. Now I'll let the hot glue set up and then come back. Okay guys, so here we have our fourth bowl and this large plate. both from Dollar Tree. So what I want to do now is glue this right on top. I'll take some of my Gorilla Glue and put it around the rim. Let's flip this over. Okay, so what I'm building is a glam pedestal. And this is going to be the very top of it, and I'll glue it to it later. So what I want to do now is add a flower arrangement to the top of this. I have a floral ring and a block. And I have this Christmas decoration. I'm not exactly sure what it's called, but I can leave a SKU in the comments. But this one retails for $11.99, but I was lucky to get it for 60% off. I actually bought 4 of them. So what I want to do now is remove these and glue them on here. And I'm just trying to see the best way to do that. I think I need to cut them right here. Okay, so I cut those off, and this is what I have. I think they're all different sizes. I'll go ahead and cut the other ones as well and then come back. Okay, so what I want to do is take these and glue these all the way around so that they hang down. I'm going to take some hot glue and put it right there. And that's it, one of the longer ones right on top of the glue. Alright, so I have 7 of these. And I just want to get an idea about where I want to put these. Now I'll go with the next size. Okay guys, I'm back and there's like a streak of light right in the center. And that's because it's early morning. It's around 9 o'clock and I still have on my Grinch pajamas. Alright, so this is what I have so far. Okay, so now I want to add 2 of these flowers. And this is how it looks. And these came from Hobby Lobby as well. It was $11.99 originally. Again, 60% off. So since it's such a large flower, it's really beautiful. What I want to do is cut it because it's really too long. So maybe right here. And it has 1 leaf on it, so this is what I have. Again, I have 2 of these flowers. Okay, I think I want this to be the front of the flower. Okay, I like the height of that. Okay guys, I'm back and this is what I have. Again, I apologize for the lighting. Once I put everything together, you'll be able to see it better. Now as for the Dollar Tree flowers, I feel like they need a little bit of glitter as well. So I have some white glitter And I'm also going to use a little bit of silver glitter on them. So I'm going to take this outside. I have some spray adhesive. So I'm going to spray the flowers with the adhesive and then sprinkle the glitter on top. I'll let that dry and then I'll glue this on top of the base and let you guys see what it looks like. Okay, and here's my floral arrangement with the added glitter, and I also added some additional flowers. Off camera, I added some fairy lights to the inside of the bowls, and it's easily done by putting a hole in the bowls and then inserting the lights. I'll link one of my previous videos below to show you how it's done. Again, I did this arrangement for Christmas with Christmas flowers, but you can decorate your pedestal using your favorite flowers. And I also think this pedestal would be gorgeous used as wedding decor. And as you can see, there's one other thing that I did off camera. I decided to add some bling to the base to give it a more decorative, finished look. I think it turned out absolutely beautiful, even better than I had imagined. My challenge now is to find a place for it in my home. Okay, Glam Fam, this concludes my DIY. I hope that you all enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.